Hi guys, I'm Narmata and welcome to Samyuktha Diaries. Today I'm going to make a rice pudding with strawberry compote. This rice pudding I'm going to make is a British classic, but I think every country and every culture has a variation of this rice pudding. In India this is called Pongal. It's made especially during Sankranti festival. Sankranti is a festival of farmers. It is a way of saying thank you to sun god for the good crop it's given. During the Sankranti festival, this pongal is made from the fresh rice and milk and jaggery, boiling it all together, and then it is spiced with cardamom. The rice pudding I'm going to make today needs only very few ingredients and it tastes amazing. It's my family favorite. I'm going to take an oven-proof dish like this, and I've buttered the inside of the dish really very well. That enriches the rice pudding and also it's much easier to wash it later on. And I've taken 75 grams of rice. This pudding rice, you can either use pudding rice or risotto rice. It has to be a short grain rice. Long grain rice will not be good for a pudding. The short grain rice is really plump and it absorbs more milk while it's cooking and making it much creamier in the end result. So it should be a short grain rice. I'm going to put it into the baking dish. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of golden caster sugar. If you don't have the golden caster sugar, you can also use the normal baking white caster sugar. But golden sugar makes it really lovely color when it's cooked. I've got 600 ml of milk, whole milk here, and I'm going to heat it in a saucepan. You don't actually have to heat the milk, but what I think is if you heat the milk, it gets the process going much faster. And don't boil the milk just up to the stage of boiling until the bubbles appear. It just has to be very hot. Now the milk has come to a boil, so I'm just going to pour it over the rice and the caster sugar. I'm giving everything a good mix. I'm going to put it in the preheated oven. First it has to stay for 30 minutes. I've already preheated it for 140 degrees. It's been half an hour now. I've taken it out and I'm going to give it a gentle stir. It has formed a layer, thin layer of milk at the top. I'm giving it a good stir. Now I'm going to grate some nutmeg powder into this. This is the only spice for this pudding. This now goes into the oven again for another 2 hours. Slow and long cooking is the trick to get the nice and the fluffy and smooth pudding. While we are waiting for the rice pudding to cook through, let's make this super yummy strawberry compote. This is my favorite. You can actually make any berry compote or even use the strawberry jam, but this strawberry compote is my family favorite. I've got 500 grams of strawberries here. I've washed them. I'm going to cut the leaves out from all the strawberries. I'm quartering the strawberries. You can either cut them in half or in quarters. I'm adding the strawberries into a saucepan. And I'm adding 50 grams of sugar. I'm going to boil this in a medium heat. You don't have to add any water as the strawberries have got moisture inside. It will release the water after a minute or 2. After 12 minutes of boiling the strawberries with sugar, it has gone to the sugary glaze. Now we can take it off the heat. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of lemon juice. The lemon juice will give a lovely tartness to the compote. You can store this in the fridge for about a week or 10 days. You can use it on top of toast, granola or porridge also. Rice pudding is now ready. It's got the perfect color. Can you see the lovely skin at the top? That is the best bit actually. You'll either love it or hate it, but I just love the skin. I'm going to pour the strawberry compote at the top. It's divine. It's amazing, isn't it? My very favorite rice pudding. Let me try it for you. It's very nice. You have to try this. Definitely you have to try this at home. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to Samyuktha Diaries. Thanks for your time, guys. Bye-bye.